डिक्टेशन शुरू होगी 5 सेकंड बाद। रेडी। मिस्टर गोस्वामी learned senior counsel for the appellant strenuously urged that respondent number 6 was neither eligible nor qualified to be appointed as ED BPM and she was, therefore, rightly ignored by the authorities, full stop, drawing the attention of the court to the notification issued by the authorities, the counsel submitted that it was absolutely necessary that the candidate must have possessed sufficient landed property in his/her name and he/she was required to produce the relevant record in token of having possessed such property, full stop, in the instant case, respondent number 6 did not possess immovable property and the said fact was duly considered by the authorities in its proper perspective and a decision was taken that she was not eligible, full stop. The cat ought not to have interfered with such a decision and should not have issued directions to the authorities to appoint her, full stop. The order, therefore deserves to be set aside, full stop. It was also argued that a totally irrelevant and extraneous factor was kept in mind by CAT of marks obtained by two candidates at the matriculation examination, full stop. The council submitted that necessary educational qualification was passing of matriculation examination and not marks obtained in the said examination, full stop. Once a candidate is eligible, his case is required to be considered in accordance with the guidelines and norms fixed by the department, full stop, para. It was also contended that a direction was issued by CAT to appoint respondent number 6. No such direction could have been issued by CAT even if it was satisfied that the action taken by the authorities was not in consonance with law, full stop. The limited direction, which could be issued, could be to set aside the decision taken by the authorities and to consider the matter afresh in accordance with law, full stop. Finally, it was submitted that the appellant was found to be most suitable by the authorities and was appointed as early as in 1996, full stop. About 8 years are over and she is working as EDBPM, full stop. If at this stage, the appointment is cancelled, serious prejudice will be caused to her, full stop. It was, therefore, urged that even if this court is of the view that the action taken by the authorities could not be termed legal or lawful, in peculiar facts and circumstances of the case, the appointment of the appellant may not be cancelled, full stop. Para. Mr. Amit Singh, the learned counsel for the respondent number 6, on the other hand, supported the order passed by the tribunal and confirmed by the High Court, full stop. It was urged that respondent number 6 was eligible and qualified, full stop. She possessed agricultural property as per the requirement of the notification, full stop. Referring to the conditions in the notification issued by the department, the council submitted that respondent number 6 fulfilled all the conditions mentioned in the notification, full stop. She was the permanent resident of the village, full stop. She had passed her matriculate examination and secured more marks than the marks secured by the appellant herein, full stop. She had adequate means of income from the independent source of livelihood and necessary certificate had been produced by her.